Okay, we have the UMX ultrix here. I put the light kit in, as you can see. Got the lights. It's kind of windy for a maiden, so we're just going to see how it works. And I'm going to hand toss it and see how she goes. Okay, she's all ready. Whoa, she's quick for a little thing. Yes, she's quick. Wow. Makes some sharp turns. Ooh. Glides nice too. Oh, I think I can get used to this. Oh, this thing could be fun. Yeah, I like it. Flies pretty good in the wind. It's about an 8-mile-an-hour wind right now. Wow. I'm impressed for a little plane like this. Yeah, pretty decent. Okay, we got another yard plane. Now we're going to have to try this at night. I got the lights on it. This is only half throttle too. That's not bad. Nice. Windy, but flies pretty good. In the wind, it's not bad. It's something I could take out when it's windy. Oh yeah, I like it. Woo! Quick little bugger. Well, you can get this pretty low to the ground too. If it wasn't so windy, I could probably hug the ground. I like it. We're gonna land her in the grass. This way I don't mess up the props. I'm going to modify this thing and put landing gear on it. Just like the 600mm one. With a nose wheel and 2 back wheels. This is nice. Wind picks it up though. It's a decent plane. Wow. I am going to enjoy this one. Okay, the time expired, so I'm going to land her. Well, not bad, and it's like an 8-mile-an-hour wind. Perfect. Wow. I am impressed with this one. Okay, that was the UMX Ultrix with the light kit on, and that was the maiden flight. I am going to enjoy this one. Looks like a fun little plane. Alright, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.